there, welcome to WingsWay Training Institute. We are an IATA-authorized training center. My team and I will assist and guide you with an array of IATA certification and diplomas that will redefine your career path and add wings to your career. Let's take a look at the unique training experience at WingsWay.
Hi Michelle.
Hi Sheetal.
Thank you so much for the book.
You're welcome.
Let us talk a little bit about our training. We have trained in the past 67 nationalities, and you know how? That's because we conduct classroom-based training, online as well as hybrid. Our training modules are based on IATA standards. This helps our students to gain more knowledge and get the dream job that they wish for. Next step is for you to apply your knowledge and skills at our internship programs at 3 different international airports. Oops! So sorry.
Got you. Now that you've gained your theoretical knowledge, it is time to visit a real Boeing 737 aircraft. Sessions are conducted inside the cockpit, the cabin, and as a walk around the aircraft. To further enhance your practical skills, we have introduced our value-add program, which will prepare you to provide first aid, administer CPR, fight a fire, and also conduct a safety demonstration. You learn to defend yourself and also be fit to fly. And now you're equipped to apply for your new job. Let's fly together.
But wait, there's more. Our expert trainers with relevant industry experience guide and assist you with the complete interview preparatory sessions, which begin with designing an appropriate CV. This also includes communication skills, professional grooming sessions, situation-based role plays, body language, and a lot more, which will help you stand out from the thousands of other applicants who will be appearing for interview. Now what's next, Junaid?
That's a great question, Fatima. Your ticket to getting IATA certified is through clearing the exams. This is a globally recognized international certification body, and your certificates and diplomas will come all the way from Montreal, Canada. C'est génial, n'est-ce pas?
Amazing, isn't it?
You will attempt multiple choice-based exam formats, and once you are certified, this will enable you to apply for jobs not only in the airlines, but also in hospitality, travel, retail, and cruise liners across the world.
We at WingsWay Training Institute take immense pride in our unique training experience that will fast-track your ticket to success. So what are you waiting for? Come join us today and add wings to your career today.